Hi friends, Mrs. Fontenot here. So we're going to talk a little bit about animals today because next week I want you to start your animal projects. Now, I know we're not in school right now, but every year in kindergarten in May, we do an animal project and share with our friends. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be choosing one animal that you want to learn about, and you're going to do a research project to find out about that animal. Things like, what does it eat? Where does it live? What are some cool things about it? And so I'm going to be giving you more details next week on that, and some stuff will come out with packets. So today I just want to read you a story about what animals need, okay? So I'm going to flip my screen around and read a book to you. All right. This is called What Do Animals Need? What is that animal there on the picture? Yes, those are zebras. And look, they're drinking their water. And do you see the grass there? Some zebras live in an area called the grasslands. Grasslands. That's something you're going to be learning when you look at your animals. So here's some pictures. We have, what is this? A giraffe. That looks like a cheetah. What is that little guy? Do you know what he is? We'll have to find out. That kind of looks like a little gopher or something. That looks like the one we saw at the playground that one day. Look, here's another one. There's a tiger. What is that one? That's a prairie dog. There's an elephant. Look what he's eating. And look, there's a pink flamingo. Some of you have seen those in Vegas at the Flamingo. They have the little garden out there that has flamingos in it. All right, so we're going to think about some words. We're going to talk about energy. This cheetah uses energy to run, just like you. Grow. A baby elephant will grow to become an adult. Did you know that all baby animals grow up to look like their mommy or daddy? Just like when we grow up, we look like our mommy or daddy. Need. These warthogs need water to live. Shelter. The raccoon uses the tree for shelter. Space. These giraffes have space or room to run. Survive. The frog eats insects to survive or stay alive. Cat, named Sunshine, who loves to eat kitty treats and walk all over Mrs. Fontenot's books when she's reading. We love my kitty Sunshine. All right, Sunshine, you gotta get off the book, though. I'm trying to read to my friends. Everyone say hi to Sunshine. Sunshine, you say hi? You say hi? That's my boy. All right, I'm going to try to scoot him off. Thank you for being patient. Animals need many things to survive or stay alive. What do you think happens to animals that do not get the things they need? Here's some pictures. Let's see if I can move this since there's a light in it. Kind of a glare. Animals need food and water. All animals, including you, need food and water to grow. Animals get energy from the food they eat. Most of an animal's body is water. This hawk uses its talons. Those are its talons right there. You see those like claws? To catch fish. In order to stay alive, animals find ways to get the food and water they need. The tiger uses its sharp teeth to get food. An elephant eats leaves to get energy. The deer drinks water to survive. We see deer around our place. Think about it. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Carnivores are animals that eat other animals, so they eat meat, okay? Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Are you an herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore? Flip the screen really quick. So what are you? If you eat just plants, you're an herbivore. So if all you eat are salad and vegetables and fruits, you're an herbivore. If you like to eat chicken and beef like burger or maybe bacon or sausage, then you also like to eat meat, which meat eaters are carnivores, but most of us eat meat and vegetables and fruit. So that makes us omnivores. We eat everything. So what do you think you are? Very good. All right, we'll go back to our book. Animals need oxygen, just like us. Take a deep breath of air. Okay, ready? You just took oxygen into your body. Living things use oxygen to get energy and to survive. This coral trout gets oxygen from the water. This fish uses its gills. Some animals get oxygen from the air. Some animals that live in water get oxygen from the water. These bison breathe oxygen from the air. Do you see those bison? Look at all of them. This orca breathes through its blowhole. Look, right there's a blowhole it breathes through. That's an orca. That's a whale. And look at the coral fish. Isn't that really beautiful? Animals need shelter. Animals need shelter just like you do. Some animals find shelter. Other animals build shelter. A shelter is a safe place for an animal to live. This ground gamma uses an underground shelter for protection. Look at how cool he looks. If the weather is too hot or cold, the animals can protect themselves in their shelters. That's their homes. This raccoon finds shelter in a tree. This robin used sticks, mud, and grass to build a nest. This clownfish finds shelter in an anemone, just like Nemo. Look at the word if. This word helps us understand the cause. What word helps us understand the effect? It says, if the weather is too hot or cold, the animals can protect themselves. So if the weather is cold, we can go inside, right? Or we can put on a coat. If the weather is warm, maybe we can use a fan, or the animals can get in the water to cool off or find shade. Animals need space. Animals need space or room in which to move around. If animals do not have space, then they might not find enough food and water. Ants need space too. Ants find space in the soil. Well, we know the big horses need space, but look, even that cool little ant needs space. Animals protect their space. What do you do when someone gets too close to you? How can animals find the space they need? These apes make loud noises to protect their space. So what they do is they scare away predators. Some animals even camouflage to protect their space. That means they can blend their colors with what's around them. In order to survive, animals need 5 things. Animals need water. So they need water. There's the horse drinking water. They need food. There's the bear eating a fish, getting ready to. They need oxygen. There's a bird breathing in the air. They need shelter. There's a little baby polar bear. He's in his little home keeping warm, kind of like an underground igloo. And they need space. All those bison, they need all that space to run around. Animals need shelter to stay safe, like we talked about. All right, so here's some more pictures. Here is zoologists. Do you see that person? Zoologists are people that study animals. They're a scientist, okay? They want to know how animals eat, act, sleep, what they do, how to help keep them safe, because we want to keep our animals safe. And there's a veterinarian, a vet. A vet studies zoology too. They study animals. There's some butterflies. You see those? All right. Thank you for doing that book with me. Start thinking about what animal you want to learn about for your animal project, and I will be talking more about that with you all next week. I love you. I miss you. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.